Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Toyota key fob. So first off, we're going to go down here to the bottom, hold this slide button right here over, and then we're going to remove the spare key. Then we're going to use the spare key to break it in half. So stick it in about this far, and then you're just going to snap the key fob apart. Then you'll have your gasket and your top piece along with your buttons. This will all be one piece right here. And then we have our electronics board, and we're going to turn it over to the back. And we're going to use a small little tool. I'm using an Allen key right here to pry out the CR 2032 battery. You can also use a pencil or anything else just like that. So then we're going to take out our old battery. So this is a CR 2032. You can see it right there. And then we're going to insert our new battery in. Make sure to go in sort of flat like that. And you can break these tabs if you don't have it aligned properly. So make sure it's aligned before you put it back. Make sure we have our gasket still in the correct location. We're going to get our bottom piece right here. And then we'll also make sure that the spring with this lock mechanism that holds the spare key is back together. And then we're going to go ahead and place our top piece onto the bottom piece, align it. Make sure everything is aligned properly. You'll hear it snap fit. Everything looks good on the side. Then we're going to place the spare key back in.